Hello everyone, it's Marty Davis, MarineMax, Lake Ozark, Missouri. I'm stepping aboard a brand new 2025 Harris Sunliner 250. The boat has the moonlight gray upholstery color. The fencing package is the sage green. It's a really nice new color. As I walk through the boat, you'll see that it is packaged with the single lounger dual helm chair. The dual helm chairs have the flip-up bolsters. The boat is powered by a Mercury 300 horsepower V8 motor. It has the upgraded JL stereo with a JL subwoofer. If you guys have any more questions, give us a call or come and see us. MarineMax, Lake Ozark, Missouri.